Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Emmanuel, an IT personnel specialized in computer maintenance. We're trying to study on how we can be able to diagnose or to troubleshoot some fault, or to be able to diagnose when we come across some fault in our PCs or in our laptops. So today we'll be discussing on how you can be able to troubleshoot when you come across when your PC is having a display problem. Talking about display problem on your PC or on your laptop, like when you put on your laptop and you find all your power lights, they are well on, but you won't have any display, you won't have any backlight, no image on your display screen or on your monitor. So today we are going to be able to troubleshoot or look at some simple steps in which we can be able to troubleshoot these steps, in which we can be able to diagnose this, how to solve this problem. First of all, we are going to start by, when you come across such on your PC or on your laptop, first of all, you try to reset your laptop. In resetting your laptop, the first thing you need to do, you need to unplug your power, your charger from your laptop. Then you have to disconnect your batteries from your laptop. If you have something like an internal batteries, you have to take out the back cover of your laptop, disconnect your battery. But if you have something like this, an external battery, you have to remove it. After disconnecting your power supply, you have to disconnect your batteries also. After disconnecting your batteries, after disconnecting your power supply from your charger, you will have to hold your power button for about 15 to 30 seconds. After doing that, you release it. You collect your charger and you plug it back to your laptop. But if you have something simple like this, you just have to remove the few screws from behind your laptop to access your RAM. Being able to access your RAM, you have to check if your RAM are being slotted well on your laptop. You have to check if they are being slotted well on your laptop. Like these are your RAM slot. There are PCs or laptop that you have just one RAM slot. There are some you have two or more. So you have to check if your RAM they are being slotted well on your laptop, they are being clipped well. You have to check on that. If they are not slotted well, you have to arrange it and slot it well. Then you test. If you still don't have a display after that, look for another RAM. Or first of all, you look for a good tissue or a clean tissue. Then you have to clean the edges or the terminal of your RAM. Clean it very well with a clean tissue and a dry tissue. After cleaning it, you slot your RAM back into your laptop. After doing that, you try to test your laptop. If you test your laptop and you still don't have any image or any display or any backlight on your laptop, look for another RAM. Same RAM that will be compatible with your PC. Same RAM that will be compatible with your laptop. Look for another RAM and test. The next procedure you have to do, you have to check the connector on your LCD. You have to check the connector on your LCD. If maybe it might not be connecting well, you have to check if the nut connecting to your inverter is good or it has been disconnected or not. What you simply have to do, you have to take off the face of your laptop. You have to do it gently because you might, just to avoid any accident or any danger concerning your LCD or your screen, you have to take off your face with care. After doing that, you have to remove After doing that, if you take off the face of your screen with care, then you will have to remove your screen. Then check at the connector behind your laptop. If your nap is being connected well with your screen, and the nap of your screen they are well contacted. After doing all this, if you still don't have a display on your PC, this will definitely take you to a motherboard issue. The fault might be coming from a motherboard, or simply it might have a corrupt BIOS. There are procedures in which you can reset a corrupt BIOS. You can use a USB device and download a software in which you can use to reset your BIOS. Especially in a situation where there are some laptops, especially when it comes to HP and Dell, you own your laptop very well, but you will be seeing your cap lock light. You keep on blinking like this, keep on blinking like. Most of those faults is not being caused by RAM. At times it will be caused by a corrupt BIOS. How can you repair this? I will show you how you can be able to repair a corrupt BIOS, like when you will be able to download the software and you will run it. But in the next video, I will be able to show you how you'll be able to reset a corrupt BIOS. Right now, if you do all this procedure, if you reset your PC, after resetting your PC or your laptop, after checking about the RAM, if you check the RAM and see if they are being placed or they are not good, after replacing the RAM and still not having a display, and after checking your connection between your inverter and your NAP on your laptop, if you still don't have a display, this will definitely mean the fault is coming from your motherboard. The fault is coming from your motherboard. This one will take you to something like a chip level work, which I will not advise you to go into a chip level work if you don't have a good idea about it. So I just hope and I believe these few troubleshooting steps will be able to help you to be able to diagnose or troubleshoot your laptop or your PC in case you come across this kind of problem in your laptop.